So one of the things that you can do with the models that you have in SketchUp is go ahead and add in label text. So to go ahead and do that, you need to go around onto, let's say for example, Tools menu, and then go around over here onto text. Then if I were to click on any face, you can see that I get the total square foot of that particular face right here. Click outside and then it'll be set. I can simply go around, do it with the other face right here, just like this as well. Click outside and you can see that as I rotate, you can see the text value right here. You can also go around over here onto the S and you see the length of it right here, just like this. Go around to the endpoint right here and you see the endpoint length, as you can see right here from 3 sides. So that is what you have. Apart from that, you can also go around over here and let's say for example, you can go around and as you click, you can see that you can actually go around over here and type in text as you want as well. And you can label it out just like that as well, right there. So you can go around over here and you can see the text. If I were to click, I can move it wherever I want. And if I were to use the selection tool right here, I can go ahead and double click and then let's say for example, add in text as I want. And then you can add in label text right here just like that as well. So that is how you can go ahead and add in label text as you need inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.